destroyed. Now we gotta go fix it somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Walmart has a tire shop, but I have not time for more. Okay, so we cleaned it as much as we could, and we're gonna shove one of these and see if that's gonna work. Let's try this again. There you go. Let's see if we can pump it if we didn't destroy the tire yet. So bad news, people. This thing right here, they just put this on. I just wasted $4. Doesn't work. So let's see if my pump got pumped up and if I didn't kill my tire yet. And it needs to be replaced. I was about to, like I said.